Good morning. I've come out to do something a little bit different this morning. I've got my PUSHNET and I've just drove down to Frinton and I want to have a look on the beach and see what we can pick up. I was down there fishing a few weeks ago and I just looked at the sand. I thought it looked really nice and it looks like it can hold a lot of flatfish and stuff. So I thought I'd come down here this morning and have a few passes. It's lovely and calm out this one. I don't know if you can make it out. It is beautiful out there. Low water was about 7 o'clock and it's just gone 5 o'clock now, I think. So I'll go and get set up on the beach, put my camera on the tripod, get my GoPro set up, and then I'll have a few passes. Right, let's have a look what I picked up in the net. And I've got a few prawns in there. Quite a nice shrimp. This is my second pass now, and I've not picked anything up other than little brown shrimp. Try to be a bit careful to make sure there's no weaver fish in here while I'm doing it. Looks like that's about it. Right, it looks like I've got a load of prawns again, but I've got something a little bit different. I'm not 100% what that is. Looks like a little tiny centipede. There's actually a little baby one or something on it there as well by the looks of it. I'll go and chuck this one back just in case it is a baby. Does look like it's just a load of prawns again, or shrimp, whatever they are. Got a few decent sized ones though. It'd be nice with a bass under a float. I think next time I come fishing down this way, I'll bring a float and get some prawns, and I'll float a few prawns underneath. Not sure what that is either. Don't know if it's just a bit of jelly or if it is something. If anyone knows, if you could let me know. Another one of those things that look like a little tiny centipede. Not sure what that is, if it's a type of shrimp. Well, I think I'm going to have a little bit walk back up the beach up that way a little bit. All I'm picking out is prawns, so I'll walk back up there, have a couple of passes along up there, and get a little bit deeper. I'll go up to my waist. That's about how deep I can go with my kayak trousers on without getting wet. Right, let's go and take a look. Right, the sun's just coming up now. I really wish I had my kayak with me. I'd love to be out there having a drift. You don't tend to see many people drift fishing along the Thames, but if I can get my kayak back from my sister's this year, I think I'll definitely give it a go. I've left it down in Devon, so I need to get back down there really and pick it up. Look at that for a view though. Right, so we've got any this time. A lot more of these jelly type things, I'm not sure what they are. Not a lot really in there, considering I've just moved. Probably about the biggest one I've got. Right, I think I'll turn my camera off now. I'll have a long walk up the beach, a long walk back with me net, and then I'll turn my camera back on when I've got a net pull. Let's see if I can get a fish this time. Oh, that's a little bit of a different crab. Is that a baby spider crab? Not too sure. I missed that in the net. I didn't see it under all the weed and stuff. As I emptied it out, I see it walking off. If anyone knows what it is, if they can let me know. I'll have a look when I get home and I'll write in the comments. Right, let's have a look what I've got. I've done a longer pass this time, and I've tried moving a bit faster, just in case the fish were moving, as I've got to them. Got a few prawns again though. That one's a nice size one. That'd go nice on a size 4, under a float for a bass. Quite a few prawns in this one again. There's half a dozen. That's a dozen or so. In a minute, I'll empty the bucket out and I'll show you how many I've got. And this is within, like, I think I've had 4 passes. There's another one in little things like a centipede. They really grip onto. They really grip onto things well. You can feel them clinging onto the net as I'm trying to get them out. Be interesting to find out what they are when I get home. a load more prawns down the front here. Another nice size one. Another nice size one there. And a little tiny one. Right, just took the lid off my bucket. Let's have a look, see what we've got. It's only full up with prawns. I put the crabs back and the other little shrimp type things back. So you can see that was, I think that was 4 or 5 passes I had there. Got quite a few prawns actually. Some of the better ones. So I wouldn't mind putting one of them under a float. I think they'd be really good for the bass, especially down at Clacton where you've got a bit more structure. Right, let's put all these back. Such a lovely one. You see walking on the nose just out there. And then Clacton's back down that way. See the wind farms. That's it. On the way back to the car now. Nice bucket full of prawns. I'd like to have got some flatfish to show you, but you didn't seem to be much out there. When I went out a couple of months ago down at South End, it probably wasn't even a couple of months ago. I was down at East Beach, and the amount of flounders I had in the net, I probably had 30-40 flounders, a few sole. And I'm not sure if they look like a little baby rockling, but I didn't quite know what they were. But there's a lot of fish down there, and there's a lot of prawns as well. But they was a lot smaller prawns up South End way. They're definitely a better sized prawn down here. But I've had a good morning now. Need to go home and get my head down. Just finished the night shift. Look how beautiful it is. So I'll go and get myself a cup of tea now, and then I'll have a drive home. I'll see you all soon.